Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. Do you believe that with just a few simple ingredients right in your kitchen, you can completely create a golden formula that helps orchids recover quickly, grow strong roots, and stimulate vigorous blooming? Many people think that caring for orchids requires expensive chemical fertilizers. But in reality, if you understand the correct natural nurturing methods, you can completely help the plant develop sustainably, safely, and with fewer pests and diseases. In this video, I will share with you an extremely effective organic orchid care method, supporting the plant to absorb nutrients better, thereby growing lush and producing flowers as beautiful as in nature. If you are new, do not forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel, so you do not miss any simple orchid care tips on the Great Garden channel. Let us get started. Do you often eat eggs at home? And the eggshells? Do you usually throw them into the trash? Do not rush to throw them into the trash. Because eggshells are a natural source of nutrients rich in calcium, they help strengthen cell structure, make the plant sturdier, and support the root system to develop healthily. In addition, as eggshells gradually decompose in the growing medium, they help improve the looseness of the medium, increase aeration, and create conditions for the roots to develop more stably and sustainably during the growth process. First, prepare one clean glass bowl as shown in the video. Pour 2 liters of clean water into the bowl. Next, put the eggshells into the water and wash them thoroughly as shown in the video. You can gently squeeze the eggshells to clean both the inside and outside. Cleaning the eggshells removes all impurities, bad odors, and remaining membranes. These are the causes of odor and bacteria. As a result, the solution will be cleaner, reduce mold, and ensure safety and effectiveness when used for orchids. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Then, place the eggshells in a dry, well-ventilated place with direct sunlight so that the eggshells dry completely. The drying process helps remove remaining moisture, limit the growth of bacteria and mold, make the eggshells more brittle, easier to process, and more effective when used as fertilizer. After the eggshells are completely dry, I prepare a blender. Next, put about 5 eggshells into the blender and start blending until a fine powder mixture is obtained. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Grinding helps break down the hard structure of the eggshells, releasing the maximum amount of calcium and minerals inside, thereby helping the plant absorb them more easily and improving effectiveness when used as an organic fertilizer. After blending, we obtain a fine powder, as shown in the video. At this point, you can sprinkle this powder directly into the base area of the plant. Adding eggshell powder not only provides a natural source of calcium to help the plant become stronger and support healthy root development, but also helps limit insects thanks to the dry surface of the powder and its natural properties that are unfavorable for some pests. At the same time, when gradually mixed into the growing medium, the powder also helps improve the structure of the medium, creating a more stable and ventilated environment for plant growth. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. To increase effectiveness, you can combine it with rice. Rice provides starch and natural nutrients, helping to nourish beneficial microorganisms and support better root absorption. Prepare 1 clean glass cup, as shown in the video. Add 3 tablespoons of rice into the cup. Then add 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature. Use a spoon to stir well so that the nutrients and starch in the rice are released into the water, creating a nutrient-rich solution for the plant. After stirring, we will have a rice water solution with the color as shown in the video. What needs to be done is to filter out the residue and keep only the rice water. This step helps the solution become cleaner and more stable, avoiding clogging of the medium or unwanted fermentation, while helping the plant absorb nutrients more easily and effectively. Add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the rice solution. That is it. Take this solution to water plants that need root growth and recovery after repotting. Method 1. First, pour the rice water solution into a specialized watering container. Then gently water around the base of the orchid. The solution from rice helps supplement natural nutrients and nourish beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium, thereby supporting better nutrient absorption by the roots. When watering the base area, where eggshell powder has been added previously, the combination of rice and eggshells will provide both starch and calcium, creating conditions for the root system to develop healthily, making the plant stronger and more stable. You should water in the early morning or late afternoon to avoid heat shock and help the plant absorb more effectively. Maintaining gentle watering about 1 time per week will help provide nutrients regularly, support sustainable growth, and limit pests and diseases. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. In addition to orchids, you can also use this solution to water peace lily. The rice solution provides a natural source of nutrients, helps nourish beneficial microorganisms in the soil, thereby improving the structure of the growing medium and increasing moisture retention. This is especially beneficial for the root system, helping roots grow healthily and absorb nutrients more effectively. In addition, rice water also helps clean the soil environment, reduce the risk of fungal diseases, and help the plant recover faster when weakened. When used regularly, the plant will tend to grow more stably, with darker green, thicker, and glossier leaves, while also increasing the ability to bloom under suitable care conditions. Method 2. Use a soft cotton pad soaked in water. Dip it into the rice solution to gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the orchid leaves. This method helps remove dust, mineral deposits, and impurities that have accumulated on the leaf surface, factors that can reduce the plant's ability to photosynthesize. When the leaves are clean and well ventilated, the processes of light absorption and gas exchange occur more effectively, thereby helping the plant grow better. In addition, the rice solution contains starch, vitamins, and some natural minerals. When lightly applied to the leaf surface, it contributes to nourishing leaf tissues, helping the leaves become greener, thicker, and naturally glossy. At the same time, a clean environment on the leaf surface also helps limit the growth of harmful fungi and bacteria. You should clean the leaves about every 2 to 4 weeks, or when you see a lot of dust on the leaves, to maintain a clean appearance and support the orchid in staying healthy and developing stably. Method 3. Pour the remaining rice solution into a spray bottle. Then spray lightly and evenly over the entire orchid, including leaves, stems, roots, and even the leaf axils. The fine mist helps distribute the solution evenly, limiting the condition of soaking the medium or water accumulation on surfaces, factors that easily cause rot and fungal diseases. Thanks to the natural nutrients from rice, especially starch, vitamins, and minerals, the solution helps nourish beneficial microorganisms, thereby improving the environment around the roots. In addition, misting also helps gently clean the leaf surface, remove dust and harmful agents, helping leaves stay ventilated and increasing photosynthesis efficiency. At the same time, the thin layer of solution also helps balance humidity, limiting water loss in leaves under dry and hot environmental conditions. When used at the correct concentration and maintained regularly, this method not only helps increase the plant's resistance, limit fungal diseases, but also supports stable growth, healthy green leaves, and creates a good foundation for root development and future flowering. Results after 2 months of use. After about 2 months of applying the method using rice combined with eggshells, the orchid shows clear improvements. The leaves become darker green, the leaf blades are thicker and have a natural gloss. New leaves develop evenly, helping maintain stable and effective photosynthesis. The root system recovers actively, with many new healthy white roots appearing, green root tips, and firmly attaching to the growing medium. This shows that the growing environment has become more ventilated and balanced thanks to the combination of calcium from eggshells and natural nutrients from rice, creating conditions for the plant to continuously absorb nutrients and develop sustainably. For plants that are flowering, the blooming duration is extended. The flower color is fresher and more stable. The petals are thicker and less prone to early wilting. This contributes to enhancing aesthetic value and helps the orchid pot maintain its vibrant beauty for a long time. What do you think about this natural care method using rice and eggshells? Have you ever applied it to your plants? Please share your experience in the comments section. When properly cared for and suited to its growth needs, the plant will respond with stable development and long-lasting beauty. If you find the content useful, do not forget to support the Great Garden channel to follow more simple and effective orchid care experiences. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. See you again in the next videos.